Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, we are going to form a quadratic polynomial or zeros are given to us. Unlike the previous videos where the zeros were very small or simple, here I'm going to introduce a concept of irrational zeros. So let us delve into the numerical. The question is, find a quadratic polynomial whose zeros are 2 plus root 3 and 2 minus root 3. So we'll take up the first set, which is 2 plus root 3 and 2 minus root 3. So if I look at the zeros, I'm going to name one of them as alpha. So 2 plus root 3 is alpha and beta is equal to 2 minus root 3. We know that any quadratic polynomial is of the form x squared minus of alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta. So what we're going to do is calculate the value of alpha plus beta and alpha beta and place it in this quadratic equation. So let's calculate the alpha plus beta, which is going to be 2 plus root 3 plus 2 minus root 3. So when I add plus root 3 and minus root 3 vanishes, 2 plus 2 is 4. So we know that alpha plus beta is equal to 4. Now let's calculate the alpha beta value, which is 2 plus root 3 into 2 minus root 3. Now look at this form. This is of the form a plus b into a minus b, which means the product is a square minus b square. So a is going to be 2. So 2 the whole square minus root 3 the whole square. So 2 square is 4 minus root 3 the whole square is 3. So 4 minus 3 is 1, which is alpha beta is equal to 1. So let us now form the quadratic equation. It is x squared minus of 4 into x plus 1. So when I arrange it, it is x squared minus 4x plus 1. We'll also take one more example to understand how to form a quadratic polynomial given irrational roots. Let us look at the zeros. It is 3 minus root 3 by 5 and 3 plus root 3 by 5. So the roots are 3 plus root 3 by 5 and 3 minus root 3 by 5. So let's mark one as alpha and one as beta. Alpha is equal to 3 plus root 3 by 5 and beta is going to be 3 minus root 3 by 5. You can pick any of the root as alpha and anything else as beta. So let's calculate alpha plus beta. It is going to be 3 plus root 3 by 5 plus 3 minus root 3 by 5. There's no need to take LCM because the denominators are the same. So I'm combining this. This is 3 plus root 3 plus 3 minus root 3. Minus and plus root 3 gets cancelled. So 3 plus 3 is 6. So alpha plus beta is 6 by 5. So let's note that down. Alpha plus beta is equal to 6 by 5. Now let's calculate the alpha beta. The alpha beta is 3 plus root 3 by 5 into 3 minus root 3 divided by 5. Now I'm going to multiply the denominator first. So 5 5s are 25. I'm retaining the numerator as such, which is 3 plus root 3 into 3 minus root 3, which is alpha beta. Now look at the form. This is a plus b into a minus b. So this is a square minus b square. So root 3 the whole square divided by 25. So 9 minus 3 divided by 25, which is equal to 6 by 25. So alpha beta value is 6 by 25. Now let's write the quadratic equation. We know it is x squared minus of alpha plus beta by x. So it is 6 by 5x plus alpha beta. So it is 6 by 25. We don't leave the fractions in this format actually because for quadratic equation, we remove the fraction and take LCM. So I'm going to multiply everything by 25. So let's multiply the entire expression by 25 plus 6 by 25. So I've just copied the equation. Now term wise, let's multiply by 25. So it is 25x squared minus 6 by 5 into 25. So 5 gets cancelled 5. So this is 6 5s are 30x plus 25 will get cancelled. So it is 6. The final equation in this case is 25x squared minus 30x plus 6. In the next video, we'll try to compute a quadratic polynomial. Zero is a little bit complex in the form of irrational numbers than what we have so far seen. See you in the next video. Please extend your support to me by subscribing to my channel Smartly Learn. You can also reach out to me through my website www.smartlylearn.in for more practice worksheets. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.